Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the device down and removing the case and SIM tray. This prevents shorting and gives access. Once done, position a bright light and magnifier so you can see the port clearly. Next, use short bursts of compressed air from 1–2 inches away to blow out debris. Make sure not to insert metal. Finally, follow with a soft nylon brush to dislodge remaining lint. This sets up the port for detailed cleaning. You now inspect the internal contacts carefully. Bent pins are a common fault, and you need to know which pins move. If pins are slightly misaligned, use a plastic toothpick or nylon tool to nudge them back. Do this slowly and from the base of the pin so you don't break it. Once aligned, lightly swab the port with 90% isopropyl on a lint-free swab to remove oils and corrosion. Make sure it dries completely before reassembly. You finish by reassembling the device and powering it on to verify function. Watch the charge indicator and try a data transfer to confirm both power and pins work. If it charges intermittently, make sure the cable and charger are known good. Swap them before assuming the port is bad. If symptoms persist after cleaning and testing, check for water damage or broken pins. In that case, consider professional replacement or solder-level repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.